Hello everyone! In today's video, I'll show you how to withdraw money from Stake to FamPay. First, you can't withdraw directly from Stake to FamPay because FamPay isn't a supported withdrawal method. Stake only allows withdrawals to bank accounts, UPI IDs, or crypto wallets. Here's how you can withdraw your money. Open your Stake wallet and tap Withdraw Funds. Choose a supported withdrawal method like bank account, UPI ID, or link to your bank, and cryptocurrency wallet. Enter the amount you want to withdraw, making sure it meets the minimum withdrawal limit. Provide the required details such as your bank account number or UPI ID. Confirm the withdrawal and wait for the funds to process. Why you can't withdraw to FamPay? FamPay is a payment app, not a traditional bank account or crypto wallet. Since Stake only supports direct bank transfers, UPI, and crypto, FamPay is not eligible for direct withdrawals. If you want to use FamPay, first withdraw your money from Stake to your bank account and then transfer it from your bank to FamPay. And that's it. That's how to withdraw your money from Stake to FamPay. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.